Hey kids, welcome to section 1.6 commission. Today we're going to learn how to calculate straight commission and determine gross pay. So, what are the risks in being paid on commission? Well, if you're paid on commission, that means you only get paid if you sell a certain amount, or you only get paid if you um, perform this many services. So, for instance, car salesmen, they work on commission. If you sell refrigerators at Best Buy, you might work on commission and only get paid if you sell 10 refrigerators in a week or something like that. So, commission is when there's risks. If you don't sell any cars in the month, you don't get paid. Or if you're a realtor, if you don't sell any houses, you don't get paid. So, if you're outgoing and friendly, you may want to be a salesperson. You might work in retail, selling furniture or cars, or you might sell plumbing supplies. Often, the pay for a sales position is based on commission, and that's the amount of money that you are paid for selling a product or a service. Now, commission works in two ways. First, you might work on a commission rate, and that's when you either get a specified amount of money paid for each sale or a percentage of the total value of your sales. If the commission is the only pay you receive, it's called straight commission. And you basically take your total sales and you multiply by whatever the commission rate is. Like I said, usually it's a percentage. That's the first type of commission. The second type of commission is if you only work on commission, sometimes you're guaranteed a minimum weekly or monthly salary. And if you don't hit your commission for that time period, then you get the salary instead of the commission. So, this minimum salary is instead of working on commission, you might be guaranteed a minimum weekly salary or monthly salary. In some cases, the commission you earn during a week or a month is compared with your minimum salary, and your gross pay is the higher of the two amounts. In other cases, you might be paid a base salary and earn commission in addition to the base salary. So there are two different ways that you can earn commission: straight commission or with a minimum salary. So let's take a look at some examples. John is selling sets of knives and makes a 10% commission on all sales. What would his commission be on the sale of $3,250 set of knives? Well, commission is pretty easy. You take the amount that you sold, 3,250, and you multiply it by the commission rate. Now, one thing you have to do is you have to change 10% into a decimal. Well, there are a couple different ways you can do this. You can use the percent button on your calculator. You can remember that 10% means 10 per 100, and use that fraction. Or you can remember that when you divide by 100, you move the decimal 2 spots to the left. Oh, my bad. And so if you go 2 spots to the left, you go 1, you go 2, you're at 0.10. So I'm going to put 0.10 here. And if I multiply this, I get $325. So for one set of knives that John sells, he earns $325. So the more knives you sell, the more money you make. All right, number 2, Kenneth Neighbors sells boats for a living. He earns $5 per hour and a 3% commission on every sale. The week before Christmas, Kenneth worked 40 hours. He sold one yacht for $369,000, and he also received a $500 Christmas bonus. So part A says, what is Kenneth's commission? Well, he earns 3% commission on every sale, and he sold a $369,000 boat. So we can take the $369,000 boat and multiply by 3%. Remember, 3% is the same as 3 over 100, which is 0.03. So the commission for that one boat was $11,070. That's crazy. One boat and you earn 11 grand. Part B, what is Kenneth's total gross pay for the week? Well, he's getting paid not only that commission, but he's also getting paid per hour and he got a bonus. So let's see, he worked 40 hours times $5 an hour. So he earned 200 bucks just working. So I can take the 200, I can add the 11,070 that he earned by selling the boat, and he got a $500 Christmas bonus. So his total amount of money that he earned this week was 11,770. Oh, I guess not week. Yeah, the week before Christmas. Crazy. I hope he buys me something nice. All right, $11,070. So make sure you read the question carefully. This one not only had commission, but hourly rate and a bonus. So you got to make sure that you get all your pay. All right, example number 3. Bristol Lemons is a door-to-door salesman. He sells high-end cutlery sets for $399.99 a set. He makes a 14% commission on every sale. In addition, his employer gives him $100 gas allowance per week. If Bristol sold 7 sets of cutlery this week, how much money did he make in all? Well, let's see. He earns $399.99 for every set that he sold. He sold 7. So that means that he is going to, oh, my bad. Yeah, okay. So $399 and times 7 is $2,799.93. Now he earns a 14% commission. So I can take that $2,799.93 and I can multiply it by 14%. Remember, 14%, if you move the decimal 2 spots, is 0.14. So if I multiply this, I get $391.99. Now, keep in mind that he's also getting $100 in gas. So we should add $100 in gas, and that's going to give us $491.99. Now, what's really weird is if you do the problem a different way, you actually get a different answer, and that's because of rounding. So if instead I found the commission on one set of knives, $399.99, and multiply by 14%, this is going to give me $56 per set. So if I have 7 sets, 56 times 7 is actually $392. If I add the $100 for gas, I get $492. So depending on how you do it, sometimes you might get a slightly different answer. In this case, we were a penny difference, depending on which way you do it first. All right, example number 4, Roberta makes $9 an hour plus 12.5% commission selling jewelry. How much does she earn on an 8-hour shift in which she sells $380 worth of jewelry? So she gets paid per hour and she gets paid on a commission. So let's do regular pay first. Her regular pay is $9 an hour times 8 hours. So she gets $72 for regular pay. For commission, she sold $380 worth of jewelry and she earns 12.5% commission. So if I take 12.5% and move the decimal 2 spots left, I get 0.125. So that's what I'm going to multiply the 380 by. And that's going to give me $47.50. So I'm going to add together the 72 and the $47.50. Roberta made $119.50 this week. So reading carefully, she earns an hourly rate and a commission. All right, number 5, Kelly is paid a minimum monthly salary of $2,500 or an amount based on commission, whichever is greater. She sold $20,000 worth of motorbikes in the month of June and earned a 15% commission. If Find her gross pay. All right, so I either get salary, which is 2,500, or I get commission. I sold $20,000 worth of motorbikes, and 15% commission is 0.15. So if I go straight commission, I'm going to earn 3,000. Oh, my bad. I already have a dollar sign. I'm going to earn $3,000. Well, which number is higher? 2,500 or 3,000? 3,000 is higher. So my gross pay is $3,000. If my salary was greater, then that would be my gross pay. All right, kids, that's the end of section 1.6. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.